How to fix Siri not talking or working on iPhone or iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Siri not talking or working on any iPhone or iPad. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. For some reason, if your Siri is not working, then there are a few fixes that you can try to fix this issue. First, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and find the Siri and search option. In here, you will see the option for Siri responses. Tap on that and under the spoken responses option, select the prefer spoken responses option. Next fix for this issue is to increase the volume of your phone, as sometimes when your phone is set to low volume, you might not be able to hear Siri. You can simply increase the volume by tapping on the volume button from the side of your iPhone, or you can also increase the volume from your control center. The last fix for this issue is to restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. So, this is how you can fix Siri not talking or working on any iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.